Hello, we are here at the children's park with Mark. We're going to San Fernando ba muna? I have no fucking idea. But here's our stuff. Yes, too much stuff to bring on a fucking Unwind episode. But like, yes, here we go. Here we have some strawberry bing chilling. Last taste of Baguio before we leave. Good. We just arrived at Pangasinan. We're now at Dagupan. We don't know how to get to Calasiao. There's the ones that took us, and now they're leaving. I think this is where we're going to go if we're going to go home, I think. Anyways, yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I don't know what happens actually. I'm just going with the flow of what they're thinking. Bye. Ano, kamusta? Sarap ba? We're now settled at Kubo, and just gonna get some footage, not gonna talk. Sit and watch, I guess. Right now, but here's more big chilling.
Took a chance on a good thing, yeah. Now I got you on my right wing. Making love like it's casual, and you text me in the morning, you're available. Am I dreaming? Can't believe I forgot this feeling. Finally found the one in my life that I wanna be with. No more seeking. I'm sure I'll always choose you first. You're my baby. It's true. You're so damn worth.
We're now settled in our friend's home somewhere here in Pangasinan. I forgot what part it is, but we're currently editing the vlog. Look at it. Editing as we speak. Anyways, here are some drone footage of this place. We're now on our way home. I want to eat some bing chilling at home. Bing chilling all the way. Let's go. Hi, Mark. There's Raven and David. Anyways, see you in Benguet. We're now back in Baguio, and here's some bing chilling.